watching us, you know that we recently just uploaded the dialogue management theme where there was a scenario where we had to go and confront somebody saying that you don't wash your hands when you go to the bathroom. And that got me thinking, yeah, this is absolutely right. Some people just don't wash their hands. Some people do it intentionally, and the other people just simply forget. Luckily, the dialogue management theme is where I got my problem. So this is where my unique thought comes into play. How about there can be this type of sensor where you can put it on the sink, and it can also be connected to the flush. So when you press the flush and walk out of the bathroom without turning on the sink, the sensor will beep like, beep, beep, you forgot to wash your hands. So if you forgot, you'll be like, this sensor is a great solution because I just forgot to wash my hands and it warned me. And if you're a person who does it intentionally, well, you're just going to have the pressure to it, and you're just going to have to wash your hands, and it'll simply just become a habit. And this solution can also work for another scenario where your grandparents forget to turn off the sink, and it's just a wastage of water. Because that happened to us. While we were out, our grandpa forgot to turn off the sink. So when we got home, we saw the sink was off. We had to turn it off, and that was just a wastage of water. So how about this same sensor, it can also share with my grandpa that when he forgets to turn off the sink, the beeper will be like, you forgot to turn off the sink. So my grandpa would be like, oh, I'm so silly, I forgot to turn off the sink, and can easily shut it down, so then there will be no wastage of water. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the perspective building workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So like I just shared with you, how I got my unique thought just by looking around. By the way, if I could get my unique thought just by thinking about the dialogue management theme, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.